Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving first of all from me, Eric, and Patrick at All Three Pools. Just wanted to show a quick video today. We're down here enjoying Dolphin Island over the holiday. That pool is at won third place last year at World of Concrete. Eric's been keeping us super busy with pool kits. We got a training coming up in February, but I was actually really surprised by a few of our local builders of kits that I could drive to, how good they've done. I want to take you to two things real quick. Back in Springfield, I shot before I left. One, Cody Johnson has done an amazing job. I think we've sold him 4 kits this year, and he has just killed it. He calls me and he calls Eric anytime he has a question, and he is just doing really great. He built a pool recently on one that we didn't have time to do. I threw it at him, and he absolutely killed it. He's got, I think, 3 or 4 more pools coming up this winter. He's just doing great. Then I'm going to take you to 2 pool kits we sent out. Eric sold 5 pool kits last week, kept me on my toes.
Sorry.
But, it's okay. I'll take that kind of beating anytime. That said, the new Elements block are so cool because they're made to be ultra compact, right? We sent 1 kit out with the compacts and then 1 that was the pre-assembled. We'll do it either way. We really like the compact forms. They got such a high demand on them right now that they're actually having trouble keeping up with production, but that's actually getting worked out. But I'm going to show you at the end of the video, after Cody, I'm going to show you 1 kit we sent out compact and how much more it fits. We were able to take the whole pool kit and a skid steer down on a 25-foot gooseneck. And then on the normal hot shot, 25-foot took up the entire trailer just with material. So it's going to be game-changing for freight, guys. But anyway, I just really wanted to tell you guys how much we appreciate all of you guys watching, coming to training, buying kits. It really keeps us excited for doing this, to grow this. And anyway, guys, I want to let you know just how much we appreciate all of you tuning in, keeping us going. And I'm going to show you guys Cody's and a couple other pool kits we did this week. And absolutely hit us up at support@all3pools.com. All right, guys, it may be November 22nd, but I want to show you one more pool that's getting ready to get winterized. This is actually one of our pool kits, one of our local builders that buys pool kits from us. Him and his dad have been doing a lot of work, and this is one that we actually got a call on. And I run a little pirate ship of just a few Amish. They're part-time, and I can only do so much. And this one is in a really beautiful location, but I knew it was going to be challenging. I threw them a bone, told the homeowners I got this guy that does great work. And I mean, he absolutely killed it. The homeowners are just ecstatic. I wanted to give him a little props and just show you. I just showed you all the kits we're mailing out this week. This is what they can turn into. I just wanted I mean, he's built several pools this year with us. Made him look amazing. I'm going to give him the microphone, let him show you around this pool real quick, and then I'll hit you guys tomorrow with an Elements build update. All right.
All right, so this pool is pretty simple overall. It's a sports pool, so it goes down to a 6-foot deep end and comes back up on the other end.
Yeah, I'll walk you over here.
It also has a seating ledge on that far end, so if you happen to want to sit over there, you can and not have to be over on the
And it's important
ledge.
to note that, yeah, guys, I mean, the bottom profile, when we sell a kit, we generally know what you're doing, so we send you just about the right amount of blocks with a few extra. But all these ledges and, he did a pretty complex stair over here that the liner fit like a glove because he measured it right. And but you get to decide how to build all that stuff, and then you just order your liner to fit. You can see the ledge he's talking about over here, kind of nice.
Yeah, there's a micro bright on this side shining back towards the end of the pool, and then the other 3 micro brights are shining this direction.
You can't hardly see it in the daylight here, guys, but the micro brights are lining this wall. That way everything shines away from the house, and it makes just the water is just lit up evenly when you're sitting at you can see all the areas they have to congregate is all on that side, so none of those lights are shining right back at your face. And is this a branded liner?
This is a branded liner.
This is a branded liner. We have a great relationship with Branded. We also do some with Terra, but Branded, we have a direct relationship with them. We really like them, and this is a beautiful liner, and it fits like a glove. And I know this one was a little challenging to measure, if I remember right.
Yeah, this one's a little tricky, especially on those protruding corners over there.
Yeah.
Where the stairs are. That is a really tough spot to nail, but it turned out perfect. Brandon does really well, especially if you have a lot of stair liner.
Liner bead
receiver.
Yeah.
Bead receiver. There's a whole lot in this particular case, and they nail it right on the head. So that helps you get a perfect fit on a liner. every time.
And it looks like you got deck jets.
Yeah, this pool has deck
You
jets.
got the
They
brass
all,
ones. Real nice.
yeah, they all play right into this splash pad right here, so the kids can kind of splash around and play in the deck jets while they're standing there.
So Cody, real quick, I just want to give you some props because I think you've done amazing getting your business started. You're what, 22?
Yep.
Just
turned
bought your
22.
first house?
You did.
Holy crap, man. Your generation, you're so far ahead of most of them. You're doing
Yeah.
great. Tell everybody a little bit about you and your dad's, what you do.
So we started off really just pouring concrete, actually, and then that kind of spiraled into the ICF stuff. We met Aaron along the way, thought that was a great product. We wanted to build pools, and steel wall is
Sucks.
not up to par with ICF as far as that goes. So we thought that was a really good option, and kind of ended up buying these kits. Turns out they're great from Aaron's shop. They, I mean, everything, the little things about his kits are what really makes it. Like the rebar corners are pre-bent for you. The stair liner receiver is already ripped.
Save you a lot of
you don't
hours.
have to do that portion of it. A lot of it is just ready for you, and we like it a lot. We drop our kits on site, usually a couple weeks before the job, so when we show up, it's just ready to go for us. Everything is there, so that helps out with efficiency a ton. But this one turned out really good. In particular, the landscaping turned out great, and their yard is coming in wonderful after
That's pretty
all of
wild.
that. So if you guys,
Hydro seed in November. Not something that always works, but we've had a lot of rain and some decently warm weather. But yeah, Cody, I just wanted to give you props, man. You guys have done great. More to come in 2025. You guys are really starting to hit on all cylinders, and we're gonna make a dent in the ICF game.
I hope so.
Hey guys, we're back down at the Table Rock Lake job, but I wanted to take a quick second to just show you how cool these new Elements pool kits are gonna be for our shipping. We worked super hard this year to get our normal pool kits, the shipping down to no more than $2,000 anywhere in the country, which, you know, when we used to do it, the guys were getting, you know, if it was going clear to like Maine, it could be $5,000, which is just prohibitive. We worked our butts off, but Elements also did, because, you know, part of the system is when you live in a, you know, further flung area, they have the ability to send them where you assemble them on site in almost the most compact, easy to ship methods possible. This pool has heat, so we are putting the heat sheet under the pool to thermally break the floor. So it honestly has heat sheet, that's one pallet. So count it here. This is one pallet of unassembled, site assembled blocks. So that's one pallet. A normal pallet takes, you know, 12 to 14 blocks, 56 blocks in here, okay? Then we got our corners that are knocked down. We got some of them here and all of the webs for the entire project. That's 2 pallets. We have another pallet of forms, so that takes us up to like 112 straights. We've got most of our equipment there, 4 pallets. We have a little bit more equipment. This entire kit, less the long goods, would be no more than 6 pallets. A typical pool this size would be 14 to 16 pallets depending. So it's really awesome that we're getting the pallets. So we're trying to get the freight down. Nobody makes money on freight except the truck company. So it doesn't do us any good. We wish it was free. But guys, the Elements, really, really robust, quick assembling block. We love them, but they're also just so stinking easy to move around. I was able to get the entire pool plus the skid steer and a rock breaker on here. So right now I'm gonna go in the backyard. I'm gonna break off those little, you know, shelves that are sticking out into our pool, see what else we can dig. It's almost noon. It was a cluster getting all this together. So we're gonna see what we can do just to clean up a little bit, because we're gonna be gone the week of Thanksgiving. This is Thursday before. So we got just today to be down here, and then it'll be after Thanksgiving before we're back. Hey guys, I wanna show you something real quick. This is a fully assembled Elements kit that's going out. Eric has been on fire with you guys, helping you guys get your kits for winter builds. This is the week before Thanksgiving. This is our 4th kit to go out, full kit to go out this week. It has been crazy busy, and I've got one more equipment only kit going out later today. Kit number 5. It's crazy. So you can kind of see how much more room it takes up, but I mean, it's fine. It's a 25-foot hot shot. This one's even got Zonson Zuckles, all long goods, pipe, conduit, and rebar. All he needs is concrete, and he'll be set. This is a complete kit, and we're sending them. We're moving a lot of them, guys. These Elements blocks are crazy. This is all the floor insulation right here. Instead of having 4x8 sheets, it's tongue and groove 2 foot by 4 foot. So they latch together real nice, and they are easier to carry around on the job site because they're not blowing around in the wind like a sail. Anyway, guys, I got one more guy coming to get a kit later today, and then I'm off to Dolphin Island for Thanksgiving. I'll bring you guys an update from those pools while I'm down there. Really exciting week.